Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So we are having a Euro Yen update here. So as you guys know that we were expecting Euro Yen to break down and continue to keep dragging more lower. So let's look at the previous video analysis, and then we're going to look at the update, what to expect it from current price. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward a bit so that we can, look at the update. Continue to keep dragging more lower. So if I'm going to look at the 1 hour time frame, so we are having right now retracement on it, and the retracement is very much similar like the previous one on this 1 hour time frame. Okay, so if I'm going to pull out fib lines, so you can see over there we got a couple of tiny corrections, 1 hour time frame corrections, or flags, or flag, whatever you want to call that. So those flags broken out, and prices just price was just keep falling after having those corrections. So now it's getting bigger. Okay, very much similar like the previous one. Okay, so this correction is right now is still slowly pushing higher. Okay, and we are having very much similar kind of price action which we have seen over there, okay, in the previous correction. And finally you got the breakout over there, a sharp sell-off came over there, and price never stopped falling. Okay, so you're looking similar kind of thing over there on the euro yen. It still can slightly push more higher, all right, and can go up to 618, 139, all right. So 139 can be the max price on this correction. Okay, so it can push up to 139 max. Okay, so if that happens, then simply form another small correction and push up, okay, and then fall aggressively. Okay, example is there. So fall aggressively and correct and keep falling. So we may see another correction after this breakout. Okay, so we may see another correction over there rather before going to continue. So price may not, after breaking out, price may not continue, keep falling. All right, so another correction can happen over there. So if that happens, then you're still looking for this to continue to keep dragging more lower. All right. Okay, so that was the previous video analysis, and if I'm going to look at the CPI number, then the CPI data is good for the yen today. So we can see that inflation is slowing down in the US, all right? So CPI numbers, which we were expecting to slow down in the previous video analysis, so we were expecting it to go below that 0, yeah, so go negative. So we are not having negative CPI number, but we are having 0. So 0 increase in the CPI for this month, for the last month. All right, and hopefully next month we're gonna have negative numbers. So this is telling us that the inflation is peaking out, all right, and which is a good sign for the yen in longer term. Okay, now let's look at the update. So the breakout which we were talking about in the previous video analysis on the euro yen is just simply happening over there. Okay, now you are looking that to just continue. Okay, so we may see another correction over there, as I have explained in the previous video analysis on euro yen. So you are looking for that to continue, and possible another correction and breakout and continue to keep dragging more lower. So your target going to be short term for that, and as said in the previous video analysis, your longer term target going to be much lower. Okay, so this is a sign on the inflation that inflation is peaking out. All right, so yeah, so it's good for the yen for the longer term. Okay, so this is the move you are looking for, medium term, and longer term going to be much lower. Longer term euro yen can go up to 120, all right, or in best case scenario 110. So that's the euro yen update, and it's breaking out. You are looking that breakout to continue to keep pushing more higher, more lower. All right, so thank you. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye.